Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. It looks completely natural. Look at how perfectly this wig blends with my natural hair, and I had minimal leave out. Let's get straight into the install portion. Literally a quick install. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the thumbs up button so this video reaches out to more people so they can see where they can get this fabulous wig. And of course, comment below if you have any questions that I may not have addressed in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so these are the goodies that were in the box, and I'm also going to show you the wig. It is a kinky straight wig. Details will be in the description box below. It was really soft, and the inside had a few clips and that little clamp on the U part area. So right now I'm about to just put the wig on and just size it up to get it to just like fit to my liking. One thing I was a little bit confused about though with this wig was that little strap that was like on the U part area, but I just ended up cutting it off. Like I thought it was supposed to be there, but I wanted my hair to blend in, so I cut it off and I was able to just, you know, position the clips where I wanted it to, and it was pretty secure, I must say. Like these clips, honey, they are secure. Trust me. You gonna know if you buy this wig how secure the clips are. I've actually never had a clip be this secure before, but this was super secure. Did I already say it was secure? Because it's secure. Anyway, so now I am just getting my middle part ready, and I wanted to show you guys how perfectly it blended with my hair. My hair was not straightened or anything, and this is how perfectly it blended. So if you want to go for like a super natural look, you don't have to put any heat at all into your hair and it'll look like this. But if you want a more like sleek look, then of course you can straighten the wig and straighten your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna get my hair out the way because now I'm about to flat iron the hair. And I'm just going to use a brush and the flat iron, and I'm going to do the chase method. I'm going to go in a few times because I do want this to look more like bone straight, kinky bone straight look, but like sleek as well. So that's the look I'm going for. So that's why I'm, you know, passing the flat iron a few times. But if you don't want it to be super sleek, like I said, you don't have to do this step. so this is the final look. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little review in the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this hair. Now, it is 180% density, and it is Kinky Straights, of course, by yours truly, Westkiss Hair. It's giving. This is really giving. It looks really natural, and y'all, it took me like 5 minutes to do this, just to clip it on, to straighten my own hair and to blend everything in. And I could see myself really wearing this wig like every day. It looks so natural. Nobody can tell me this isn't me, yo. And you know, I've never worn a U-part wig. I wear V-part. I've worn V-part wigs before, but U-part wigs, I don't really wear U-part wigs. But it's definitely giving like what, like early 2000s. Remember back in the day when people used to wear like U-part wigs. So you know, once I really get used to like how to maneuver with U-part wigs and stuff like that, because like the only thing that I didn't like, which I must say, is that little thing that was on the wig. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with that? Like, was I supposed to sit it? But then like my hair wouldn't cover that piece, so I had to cut it off. And then like when I cut it, it's like this little flap right here. But with that little flap, I think it's not that deep because my hair does cover it when I like put my hair down. But that's like the only thing. I guess I want it to just, everything to just sit perfectly where I clip it. But this is by far one of the most secure clips for these U-part wigs, okay? Because this hair will not move. Like, it will not move. It is gonna stay on my head, and I can feel it. Like, it is clipped on. It is clipped on. It's not hurting my head or anything where it's like tight and like gonna do anything to my hair, but I like how secure it feels. And another thing I like is how flat right here is. You see that? It's flat. Like, it doesn't look bumpy on the top. It's very flat. And if I move the hair like this, like, I could just do so much with this wig. Like, I'm just excited. That is my review on this wig. If you guys want to purchase it, the link is in the description box below. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting. Share this video, like this video, comment below if you have any questions. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.